bummed out that your level and loot won't transfer from Destiny 1 to 2? Bungie has some special rewards for you. I'm Tony, and this GameSpot news update comes from the moon. Your avatar will transfer to the next game, and although Bungie is being mostly tight-lipped about what rewards returning players will get, the studio has revealed a new set of emblems you can receive. These emblems are based on completing certain challenges during Destiny 1's lifespan, like finishing Moment of Triumph or earning a Grimoire score of over 5,000. That does mean that some emblems are indeed unobtainable now, but you can check out Bungie's blog post to see what challenges you can still meet before the cutoff on August 1st. Destiny 2's release date has moved up, and the sequel is now coming to PS4 and Xbox One on September 6th, then later to PC on October 24th.
Hi, I'm John Warner, Game Director for Anthem. Hey!
Freelancer. If you could just bring them back. Anything you need.
I'll get to it tomorrow.
All right.
In the world of Anthem, you and your friends are freelancers, the heroes who leave the safety of the walls of Fort Tarsus to explore the unknown and protect humanity. Let's join two players as they head out on an expedition.
Hey, Paul. You ready to go?
I'm just grabbing some supplies. Just about ready.
What are you going to use today?
I decided to go with the Colossus.
I'm going to use my Ranger. Try out some new upgrades.
Every player will own an array of exosuits we call Javelins. These suits give players superhuman capabilities and are heavily customizable so they look and play how you want.
Bam! Looking good. Nice, you've got a mortar equipped.
Yeah, I got it on the weekend. You lead the way, I'll follow. See you on the other side.
Our story is out there.
Dude, are you seriously trying to kill me?
Why wouldn't I?
Ah!
We can't have you spilling blood here. Although to most, this compound is known only as the first Magitech production facility. To you, this place should have some sentimental value. After all, it is your home sweet home.
Finally come home to Niflheim, my son.
Lose your will to live and you lose all hope of me helping your sorry ass. Got it?
You're wrong. I'm a Lucian! I am not one of your experiments!
I ran into your buddies in Tenebrae. Huh. You've I've got him worried sick.
You're nothing but a failure.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up!
Here we go. The intel we need supposed to be in this Sicario's house. Looks like it's upstairs.
Copy that.
Need any help?
Nah, I got this.
Okay, I'll take a look around.
Oh.
Cool, how far is it?
We could use a ride. You got a car out there?
No, something better. You ready to fly?
Let's go.
You got it.
I'm pulling out. Found a bike, guys. I'm on my way.
Hey, watch your fire. We need him alive.
I can't get a good shot.
This guy's all over the place.
Stop moving.
Okay, guys, I'm clear. Out of the camp, on the road. Where are you guys? Let me know you're... Damn, the whole place is going up. All right, I'm heading for the chopper now.
Damn, he's trying to ram the car. I gotta hit his engine.
No, I'll try to slow him down.
Help is on the way, guys. I'll run this train. Where's the chopper? Where is it?
Oh, damn it. Okay, I got him.
Yes, he stopped.
I'll get him. Be careful.
Ride's here.
How'd you get, buddy? Hurry up, we got cartel reinforcements incoming. Up you get, and in you go.
Adios. Let's get the hell out of here.
I got him in my line of fire.
Well, hold him off. I gotta fly this thing.
And
We are clear, gentlemen.
Nice work.
That was a tough mission. Oh, man, that was close.